Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones. And I am back with another video. Fight yeah, head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. This is where you need to be. That's on dog. Today I have a video. I know I told you guys I'm done with the Travis Scott video. And it was the truth, but I lied. The Travis Scott has literally took up an entire month of my life and I can't get it back. Listen, bro, Travis Scott 6s were literally from like the beginning of like the middle of September all the way now, and we're in October and it's still not over. Crazy, man. I know my last video I said it was over with, but I'm back again. So a lot of people did score on the Travis Scott 6s, which is amazing, but I was actually lucky enough to score on some of the Travis Scott merch. The merch is actually doing very, very well, man. A lot of people camped out because I was in Chicago. When I was in Chicago, they already had people who won for the app. So the app for the sneakers were already, you know what I'm saying, reservation. But anybody who wanted to pick up the merch was first come, first serve. There were literally hundreds of people outside for the Travis Scott merch. Travis Scott has to have the most hype beast merch of all time. Nobody is really on Yeezy Supply going crazy for Yeezy Supply or Yeezy's clothing. Yes, we love his sneakers. Some people even love his boots. Some people even love his music. But everybody don't like his clothes. Travis Scott, they love his music, they like his clothes, they like his shoes. He's definitely killing it right now. So guys, my Travis Scott hoodie did come in today. It's the gray wash joint. And I know I said in my last video I was going to sell it, and I did find a seller, man. So shout out to the homie D Caruso 32, man. Shout out to you for buying the merch. I am shipping this out ASAP, man, so stay on the lookout for that. I will hit you up individually and let you know. Here we have the bag that the merch comes in. So like I said, I hit on Sneakers app for the merch, and the retail, where this hoodie retail for $150 plus tax. And that is a lot for a hoodie, I'm not gonna hold you. I know a lot of my Supreme guys out there, y'all do like, you know what I'm saying, Supreme stuff, which retails at $150, but look, I don't really pay like that for clothing, so $150 for a hoodie was kind of steep for your boy. Let's open this up and see what we got, because I did see pictures, of course, but I have not seen any of the merch yet, and I'm very excited to see what we got going on. Let's see, man. Let's see what we got. Okay, so yes, size medium. They got my size right. Thank God they got my size right, because sometimes they actually get your sizes wrong. I remember I hit before on some merch before, and sneakers, y'all gave me like a large. Now we're a medium. Y'all had me out here looking like Soulja Boy. So we got this medium right here. Like I told you, I mean, I got the washed gray sweatshirt, and like I said, man, it's pretty dope. I try to go for everything on the site. The pants, the hoodies, the shorts. I try to go for everything, and the only thing I landed was this hoodie. Now, fresh off the bat, can we talk about this material, bro? I'm gonna hold this up real quick for y'all, man. Woo! This is nice. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna get some of that good old B-roll, but this hoodie feels great. The material feels amazing. I think I shouldn't have sold this. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I should have sold this. But we have the embroidered Travis Scott Jumpman with the Cactus on fire behind him, man. Like the Cactus joints are behind him on fire as he's like driving to the rim with some Jordan type stuff. But this material on this hoodie is fuego. I'm not gonna lie, it is fire. And it is like that wash look. If you don't know Travis Scott, he always goes with like the wash colorways or like this off colorway. As a matter of fact, let's just bring out the sneakers just because we got the hoodie here. We might as well do it. Here we have these, man. I know y'all probably sick and tired of these, but just for the video purpose, we gon', you know what I'm saying, bring out the 6s. And I cannot bring out the 6s without mentioning Reshoevn8r. Reshoevn8r is the sneaker cleaning solution you want to keep all your grills clean. I use it on a daily basis. Whenever I'm done rocking a pair of sneakers, before I put them back in the containers, I'll wash them down with Reshoevn8r, the best cleaning solution in the game. If you guys want any of it, head down below in the description of the video. I will link Reshoevn8r, and also, if you use my discount code SNIPER, you get 10% off the entire site. Anything you want, you save some money on. So thank me later, Reshoevn8r. It's the best, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm gonna just pull one of these joints out to see what they looking like with the hoodie, because I'm pretty sure it's a nice little 1-2 punch, okay? So, we got the Travis Scott 6s, and recently, I seen how these look with the yellow laces. Very fire, okay, very fire. And also, I seen the family and friends pair that's supposed to be releasing. That's all this mustard, this golden yellow. Very fire, okay, very fire. Here we have the Air Jordan Travis Scott 6, and right beside it we got the hoodie. So now you get to see what it kind of looks like on a 1v1. I'm not going to throw this on because obviously I'm selling it. I'm not going to, you know, wear it, but I could review it. Shout out to the homie Caruso for letting me review it before I sold it out. Now the aesthetics on the hoodie is pretty dope, man. Right here on the left sleeve, you get Cactus Jack and you get Air under the Air Jordan logo. It's very nice, embroidered. the Cactus Jack font. I don't know what Cactus Jack font is, but this is Cactus Jack font, okay? Same Cactus Jack font is on the back of the Cactus Jack 6s. This is Cactus Jack font. I might have made that up, but if anybody else uses that, you know where it came from. You know it came from your boy Snipe Jones. Once again, guys, this retail for $150. And another thing that I like about this, man, is it's not as boring as it looked in the pictures. I'm not gonna lie, when I looked at this on the picture, I did not really know what to expect, and obviously I did not really expect to hit on any of the merch. From the way the line looked out there in Chicago, I thought the merch would be extremely hard, and maybe it was, and I just got lucky. What I did really want with those pants, the pants that kind of had the same green and orange as it did on the Travis Scott 6s, those pants with this hoodie, these shoes, fire fit. You know what I'm saying? Fire fit. Also, you know what I'm saying, a $300 fit if you go with the pants and the hoodie. As I told y'all before, man, you get the flames coming from Travis Scott. It could be because, you know what I'm saying, they got hot in Houston, or it's because Travis Scott, you know, his nickname is La Flame, okay? So it could easily be coordinated to the La Flame nickname, but without a doubt, I want to know, what is your guys' opinions of the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6s, and more importantly, what is your opinion on the Air Jordan Travis Scott merch? I will be sending this out, man. Thank you so much for picking this up, D Caruso. Also, guys, I will be at SneakerCon Atlanta, of course, man. You know, I live in Atlanta. I will be there. I'm excited to meet everybody. It's only one day. Saturday is the only day. So make sure if you're in the city, or if you're close to any other city by Atlanta, make sure you stop through, man, because it's gonna be crazy. Atlanta is not one of those cities where you can miss. It's only a few amount of cities that go absolutely crazy. Cleveland, you know what I'm saying? Gotta mention Cleveland. Atlanta, New York, Chicago, LA, those always are insane, especially Atlanta, because it's only one day. I believe the other two spots I named, or the other spots I named, were like a 2-day. Atlanta will be 1 day. If you think it's crazy on a 2-day, just imagine how it will be when people only know it's 1 day to go up there. It's gonna be insane. Make sure you're there. Anyways, guys, before I head off the video, I have to tell you, man, subscribe to the channel. We are this close to 30K. I believe we at like 2.7, 29.7 or something like that. Subscribe to the channel so we can get that 30K, man. That's amazing. Shout out to all of y'all that's been rocking with the channel and supporting me for this long. It's crazy. Also, guys, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That's sliding up and down your screen right about now. And until next time, man, I will catch up with y'all. It is your boy Sniper Jones. I appreciate y'all. You know, I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.